Hey guys, hello and welcome to this video. I just want to do a quick update to show you my results with Guaranteed Downline Club. And I also have a page where I have some screenshots of some of my team members' results as well, so that you can see how Guaranteed Downline Club is working, not just for me, but for a lot of other people. So without further ado, let me just share my screen with you. Here I'm inside my dashboard, and since I joined on July 2nd, Guaranteed Downline Club launched on July 1st, but I think that the actual clock in Guaranteed Downline Club shows in Eastern Standard Time. So I have now 19 referrals. I've made $48 and I have not had to pass anybody up to my sponsor, but I have 7 pass ups from my members who have joined under me. So as a basic member, if you don't have the money plugin, you will pass up every other person that you sponsor and keep, or that you sponsor and don't keep, up to your sponsor, and in this case would be me. So let me go to my team results page here. Here's just a snapshot of my results, and then here's a screenshot of one of my other members, Dan. Dan has 229 referrals and $134.50 in earnings. And 9 referrals have been passed up to him by his sponsored members who don't have the money plugin. Now, then I have Abby here. On his first day, he just joined yesterday, and by last night he already had 16 referrals and he's earned $11. He passed up 5 members, and 5 of those would be in this number of 7, because he didn't have the money plugin, but then he got it. After he got the money plugin, he didn't have to pass up any more members to me. And he has one of his sponsored members has passed up 1 to him. Now this is Stephanie's results. Her screenshot looks a little bit different because this is from her mobile device. And as of last night, last night would have been her second day, she had 26 referrals. She hasn't passed up any members because she also got the money plugin. Her total earnings are $20.50. And you guys, these guys are killing it. And I'd love to share some of my other team's results, but they haven't posted, they haven't shared their results with me yet. I've asked them to inside of my Facebook group, but so far that's what I have. Let's see. So you guys, if you're still on the fence about joining Guaranteed Downline Club, this is just proof that it works. I will be updating this page often with new postings of my team members' results. I'm going to post a link to this page below the video, and you can watch here the compensation plan and see what the possibilities are when you join Guaranteed Downline Club and promote it. And as soon as you join, you get $5. If you don't know what a downline club is, you can click on this link here and it will take you over to this page where you can watch this little video about what is a downline club. And if you do care to join, you can join via this page. There'll be a oh, it won't be on here, but you'll come to a page like this if you do decide to join, and there'll be a sign up link down here, or you can join up here. Let me just log out and go to the home page, and there you go. So this is what it would look like if you click on my link and you want to get started. And here's that same video. I should also remind you that results are not guaranteed. You definitely will get $5 as soon as you join. And when you do sign up new people, you will get 50 cents from everybody that you sign up and keep. And you will get 50 cents for every member that is passed up to you. If you get the money plugin, you definitely will make more money. And that's how I've managed to make $48 with only 19 referrals, is because these people have all purchased the money plugin, and I earned a commission when they got the money plugin, and I've also earned a commission when their members got the money plugin, and the commission is a lot higher. So if you want to know more about that, you can check my video inside of my YouTube channel. Watch this review here, and it tells you everything you need to know about the member area and how you get paid. And then also when you join, I'm going to provide you with this training page where it goes over the compensation plan once again, a couple of videos you should watch to get to know Guaranteed Downline Club before you promote it. And I show you how to make a splash page for free. I show you where you can pay for one. A few ways that I like to use to promote Guaranteed Downline Club, and this is how I've received all of my signups for free. And a couple more tools if you that I use to also promote Guaranteed Downline Club, and some more results. And then also, when you buy the money plugin from me, I'm going to provide you with some training. This is training that I have resale rights for, and I'm giving it to you. I'm not giving you also the resale rights. All you're going to get is the training. I still need to set up a page with the training. If you want resale rights, you can buy this from me, and I'll leave a link where you can buy this, because this is actually excellent training for social media marketing. You're going to learn some Facebook marketing tactics. You're going to learn about marketing on Instagram, and you're going to learn about how to make money with Craigslist. And YouTube too, YouTube as well. And I'm giving you all of this because I just don't have time to make all these videos, and it's already done. So I'm going to give you this for free. It sells for $50, and so you'll get that when you get the money plugin through my link in Guaranteed Downline Club. So that's my quick update. Quick, 8 minutes. Hopefully you like this video, and go here and join Guaranteed Downline Club through my link. And I look forward to working with you and having you on my team. Okay, thanks a lot, you guys. I'll see you in the next video.